The U.S. Navy's MQ-4C Triton is a cutting-edge high-altitude, long-endurance unmanned aircraft system developed by Northrop Grumman. This premier maritime intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance platform plays a pivotal role in enhancing the Navy's operational capabilities. The Triton is designed to complement the U.S. Navy's Maritime Patrol and Reconnaissance Force family of systems, delivering a wide range of capabilities, including signals, intelligence, command, control, communications, computers, ISR, search and rescue, and maritime strike capabilities. Powered by a Rolls-Royce AE 3007H turbofan engine, the MQ-4C Triton can reach a maximum altitude of 60,000 feet with a gross takeoff weight of 14,628 kilograms. Its impressive range of 9,950 nautical miles and endurance of 30 hours, coupled with a maximum speed of 357 miles per hour, make it a formidable asset for maritime operations. Operated from ground stations by a 4-person crew, including air vehicle operators, mission commanders, and sensor operators, the Triton's ground control station plays a crucial role in mission planning, launch and recovery, image processing, and communications monitoring, ensuring seamless operation and data dissemination. The MQ-4C Triton's mission capabilities are extensive, ranging from maritime surveillance and battle damage assessment to port surveillance, communication relay, and support for anti-submarine warfare and maritime interdiction missions. With a mission radius of 2,000 nautical miles and the ability to operate for 24 hours a day, 7 days a week with 80% effective time on station, the Triton provides persistent maritime surveillance and reconnaissance coverage over vast oceanic and littoral zones. Its payload includes a range of sensors, such as electronically steered array radar, electro-optical/infrared sensors, automatic identification system receivers, and electronic support measures, enhancing its intelligence collection capabilities. Managed by the Persistent Maritime Unmanned Aircraft Systems Program Office, the MQ-4C Triton program has seen significant milestones, including successful interoperability tests with other airborne platforms and naval assets. These tests showcased the Triton's ability to share sensor data with ground-based simulators, enhancing situational awareness across various platforms. The Triton's advanced radar, artificial intelligence, and machine learning capabilities have enabled seamless integration with other naval assets, significantly improving operational effectiveness.